I bet you nobody on YouTube went through all of this to get some Bitcoin. I guarantee you that, nobody. So I've owned Bitcoin for a long time and I've done a lot of things to get my hand on some Bitcoin. But in today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Bitcoin in 2021. This is gonna be the easiest way to do it. I'll also give you guys some insights and thoughts about buying Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin right now, today, is worth $32,000. And you're probably wondering, how do I buy Bitcoin? Should I be investing in it right now? I've been invested in Bitcoin since 2017, and I've been buying and selling a little bit here and there ever since. But I'm a long-term Bitcoin holder and I'm not planning to sell my Bitcoin anytime soon. Right now, if I wanted to, I could spend one Bitcoin and buy myself a Tesla Model 3. That's insane. What a trade-off would that? What kind of trade-off would that be? So before we jump deeper into the video, don't forget to smash the like button, and links are gonna be in the description for everything in today's video for your convenience. All right, so the easiest way, without a doubt, to buy Bitcoin in 2021 is just gonna be buying it through Coinbase. So this is what Coinbase looks like on the App Store or the Google Play Store on Android. I've been buying through Coinbase ever since 2017. And before that, I was doing crazy stuff like mining for it, meeting people up in person, paying cash for Bitcoin. I was doing a lot of crazy stuff, but luckily the technology has caught up now, and it's gonna be easy for anybody to buy Bitcoin. So buying Bitcoin on Coinbase is gonna give you a bunch of advantages, and let me go through some of them real quick. So if you guys use the link in the description, you guys can get $10 free Bitcoin if you purchase $100 of Bitcoin. And on top of that, if you want to own it, not just trade it and sell it, if you want to own the Bitcoin, you have to buy it on Coinbase. And after you purchase your Bitcoin, you can transfer it into a cold storage wallet just like this. Links are gonna be in the description if you guys want something like this. In the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, there's a lot of scams, there's a lot of hackers always trying to break into these types of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchanges. Some examples are Mt. Gox. This was a Bitcoin exchange that got hacked into a while ago, before I was even invested, and they lost billions of dollars now worth of Bitcoins during this time. So just to recap, buying Bitcoin on Coinbase has the advantages of you get to keep your own Bitcoins, you can transfer it into your personal hardware wallet, and you can keep it for yourself. It's all yours. If you don't have the Bitcoin in your own hard wallet, then it does not belong to you. So that's why I recommend buying it on Coinbase rather than buying it on the Cash App, on Robinhood, on PayPal. Yes, those are also great ways to just buy and sell your cryptocurrency. And if you just want to trade for fun and just to test it out, see for yourself what it's all about, I think that's a great way to do it. But if you're buying it on those brokerages, you're not going to be able to transfer those Bitcoins into your wallet if for one day you just, you say you don't want to trade anymore, you just want to buy and hold it. So that is the main advantage of buying it on Coinbase. So another question that I get a lot is, what about all the other altcoins? So taking a look here on Coinbase here, Bitcoin is the only thing that I'm invested in right now. I don't have any other altcoins. And the only other thing that I would probably invest in is Ethereum. Outside of those two, everything else is most likely everything else I would not recommend. So Bitcoin today is worth $32,000. On the day, it's up 10%. So when this happens, I want to figure out why everyone else is buying Bitcoin or what is going on in general. And it's a lot different than it was back in the day in 2017. And for anybody that doesn't know, Bitcoin is, in layman's term, is digital gold. The purpose of Bitcoin is to allow two people to perform a transaction. And what that means is there's no third party, there's no government that can control what is happening between those two people. Another advantage of Bitcoin is that it is not tied to any physical asset like gold. It's not tied to gold, it's not tied to physical paper. It's a digital currency. So some other facts about Bitcoin right now is that the circulating supply is set at a limit. So the max supply, there's only gonna be 21 million. Currently, there's only 18.5 billion. And a large percentage of this, because it's digital based, is already lost. Bitcoin is old. It's like over 10 years old, I believe. So Bitcoin was created in 2009. And back then, you can probably get one Bitcoin for a few pennies. So a lot of people didn't really take care of it, and they just lost it on old hard drives, old computers. So a lot of people are really regretting that now because they lost hundreds of thousands of dollars probably. But there is a very short supply of it. It's not like US dollar where the government can just continue pumping money into circulation and create a lot of inflation. So because it's scarce, that gives it some more extra value points there. So I think that's one reason why Bitcoin is, seeing a gigantic run up right now to $32,000 for one Bitcoin. Another reason why I think Bitcoin is seeing a big run up right now is because Wall Street has finally accepted cryptocurrency and digital assets. In 2020, Wall Street firms, they pumped in roughly $6 billion into cryptocurrency and digital assets. Back in the day in 2017, people that invested in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, they were laughed at by Wall Street. So now the tables has finally turned, and anybody that's been holding onto their bag since that time, they're laughing like me. They're finally able to see a profit on their investment. And the last reason why is because we got PayPal investing in cryptocurrency, Square investing in cryptocurrency, JP Morgan and Fidelity. All of these brokerages now, they're either accepting Bitcoin or allowing people to trade cryptocurrencies on their brokerage. So now I think there's a lot more mass appeal when it comes to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And I believe the one driving force that will continue to keep pushing Bitcoin price up is if these industries and these institutions continue to invest massive amount of money into Bitcoin. That's probably the only reason why Bitcoin could even see over 100,000 by the end of the year if they just keep investing and buying up more cryptocurrency. Because as a retail investor, I'm not gonna have millions, billions of dollars to invest. Like I'm just a guy on YouTube. I probably can buy like $1,000 worth every now and then. I'm not gonna have millions of dollars to put into it. But if these institutions do that, Bitcoin could just continue to skyrocket. So if you guys want to own some Bitcoin for yourself, links are going to be in the description for Coinbase. I'm going to try to go figure out how to turn these miners back on because I think it's worth it now to start mining again. And go check out these videos here if you guys want to see some more investing videos from me. Subscribe, hit the like button again if you haven't. Hit that notification for more videos just like this. Go follow me on Instagram if you haven't. Go follow me on my second channel for more content. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is so heavy. This is probably over 25 pounds.